The Dos Hombres Story, how two actors created a tequila empire. From cooking meth on screen to distilling mezcal in real life, Paul and Bryan Cranston have concocted a $50 million success story. But this isn't just another celebrity booze brand. It's a masterclass in turning star power into market power and passion into profit. Strap in as we uncover how these two actors went from Breaking Bad to breaking into the competitive spirits market. Welcome to the intoxicating world of Dos Hombres. Let's set the stage. The year is 2019. Breaking Bad had wrapped up 6 years earlier, but the chemistry between Paul and Bryan Cranston was still bubbling. Over sushi in New York, they cooked up a new scheme, not to revive their characters, but to create a mezcal brand. Now you might think, celebrities and alcohol? That's old news. And you'd be right. The celebrity spirits market was already crowded, with everyone from George Clooney to Dwayne "The Rock" Johnson launching their own brands. But Paul and Cranston weren't interested in being just another face on a bottle. They wanted to create something authentic, something they could be proud of. Their timing was impeccable. The global mezcal market was valued at $727 million in 2019 and is projected to reach $2.1 billion by 2031. Paul and Cranston weren't just jumping on a trend. They were positioning themselves at the forefront of a booming market. But finding the right mezcal wasn't easy. The duo embarked on a journey across Oaxaca, Mexico, the heartland of mezcal production. They tried over 100 samples before finding their perfect match in the hills of San Luis del Rio. They partnered with a third-generation mezcalero, creating a unique blend that balanced smokiness with sweeter notes. Dos Hombres launched in July 2019 with a price point of around $58 per bottle. In its first year, despite the onset of the COVID-19 pandemic, the brand sold an impressive 3,500 cases. By 2022, that number had skyrocketed to 50,000 cases, generating an estimated $20 million in revenue. But Paul and Cranston didn't stop there. They kept innovating and expanding. In 2023, they introduced Dos Hombres Tabala, a premium expression priced at 150 ans per bottle. This move into the high-end market paid off, with the Tabala variant accounting for 20% of their sales by 2024. Now let's talk about distribution. Dos Hombres started in 3 states in 2019. By 2024, it's available in all 50 states and 15 countries. They've secured deals with major retailers like Total Wine & More and BevMo, and their online sales through platforms like Reserve Bar have seen year-over-year growth of 150%. But here's where it gets really interesting. Paul and Cranston didn't just create a product, they created an experience. In 2023, they opened the first Dos Hombres tasting room in Los Angeles. This isn't just a place to drink mezcal, it's an immersive journey into Oaxacan culture. The tasting room has become a hotspot, attracting 10,000 visitors in its first 6 months and generating an additional $2 million in revenue. They've also leveraged technology to expand their reach. In 2024, Dos Hombres partnered with a tech company to create a virtual reality experience. Users can take a virtual tour of the San Luis del Rio distillery, learning about the mezcal making process. This innovative approach has not only boosted sales, but also helped educate consumers about mezcal, growing the market for their product and the category as a whole. Let's break down the financials. While exact figures are closely guarded, industry analysts estimate that Dos Hombres reached a valuation of $50 million by early 2024. That's a significant jump from its estimated $10 million valuation in 2021. The company is projected to sell 100,000 cases in 2024, potentially generating $40 million in revenue. But it's not all about the money. Dos Hombres has made a commitment to sustainability and social responsibility. They've invested $500,000 in a reforestation project in Oaxaca, planting 20,000 agave plants and creating jobs for local communities. They've also established a scholarship program for the children of mezcal producers, investing $250,000 in education initiatives. Now, let's decode the Dos Hombres success strategy: authenticity. Paul and Cranston didn't just slap their names on a bottle, they immersed themselves in the world of mezcal, ensuring their product was of the highest quality. Hands-on approach. The duo is involved in every aspect of the business, from production to marketing. This level of involvement ensures quality and builds credibility. Leveraging star power wisely. They use their fame to open doors, but let the product speak for itself. Their marketing focuses more on the mezcal than on their celebrity status. Education and experience. By focusing on educating consumers about mezcal and creating immersive experiences, they're growing the entire category, not just their brand. Innovation. From VR experiences to premium product lines, Dos Hombres keeps pushing boundaries. Social responsibility. Their commitment to sustainability and community development resonates with conscious consumers. As we wrap up this journey through the world of Dos Hombres, consider this. Success in business isn't about having the perfect idea or even the perfect product. It's about passion, perseverance, and the willingness to learn and adapt. Paul and Bryan Cranston's journey from actors to entrepreneurs shows that with the right mindset, you can successfully pivot into a new career or launch a thriving business. They've turned a $500,000 initial investment into a $50 million empire in just 5 years. The question is, what's your Dos Hombres? What passion project could you turn into your next big venture? Remember, in the world of business, just like in mezcal, it's all about finding the right blend of skills, timing, and determination. Are you ready to distill your own success story? If you found these tips valuable, you definitely don't want to miss the incredible strategies that Jennifer Garner used. Check it out here. If you would like to know how to create and launch your own business, then check out my website and learn about my Business Growth Accelerator course bundle. Details in the caption below. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell for more insights and inspiration. Thanks for watching, and keep pushing the boundaries of your business.